Hey guys, Matt the Mortgage Guy here. In today's video, I'm going to go over the power of a pre-approval. I'm going to talk about the difference between a pre-qual and a pre-approval. While it's an absolute necessity to get a pre-approval in 2023, I'm even going to walk you through how easy it can be if you work with a great mortgage broker who's got great technology. Stay tuned. All right, Matt the Mortgage Guy, residential mortgage broker. We do stuff 1 to 4 units, either primary residence or investment properties all across the country. If you want to connect me and my team to do something like that, get yourself pre-approved, go to greatmortgagebroker.com, fill out the form. We'll be in touch. In today's video, I just want to talk about the importance of the pre-approval. I preach this every single year. So this might be video number 3 or 4 I make on it, but it's more important than ever for you to get yourself fully pre-approved if you're going to buy anything in the immediate future, meaning the next 1 to 3 months. So first and foremost, I want to clarify the difference between a pre-qual and a pre-approval. Truth be told, that word pre-qual doesn't even really exist anymore. They used to, in the olden days, say, you know what? We don't have to do the pre-approval. What we can do is pre-qual you. You say you make $8,000 a month? Great. Okay, you've worked there since 2019. Sounds good. You have a car payment? Okay, that's $450. You got any student loans? Oh, they're about $225 a month. Any credit card debt? Okay, how much do you pay per month on that? $125. Okay, great. I've got $8,000 on the income side. I've got roughly, what's that? $350 and $450. We'll call it $800 on the debt side. Keep your debt to income ratio below 50%. We'll just rough it. We're going to need a mortgage payment of about $3,200. Don't know your exact credit score, but give me a guess. 722? Okay, we might pull it. Could be 690, could be 775. You never really know, but I'll do my best to kind of give you a rough idea of what you might qualify for. Okay, great. Then, pre-qual letter. If the real estate agents involved in the transaction are paying attention or know what they're doing, they're going to tell you that pre-qual letter might as well be rolled up like this and then just place it right next to the toilet paper in case you run out. Because it's not worth much, right? Sorry, my attempt at a bad joke. Anyhow, that's why I'm in mortgage, not in comedy. A pre-approval letter is a full application, a tri-merge credit report. Experian, Equifax, TransUnion is pulled. We collect your documents, income documents, asset documents. We put the file together. We review it, review your income. Sometimes we need to get a verification of employment to show exactly what you're getting paid, how you're getting paid. If it's something that's variable, how we have to average that over the last 2 years. A lot of work goes into it. We run the automated system, the desktop underwriter or loan product advisor, LPA. And that automated system tells us, yes, this client, based on everything you entered and us looking at credit report, assets available that you've entered, and $700,000 purchase with 10% down, this is approve eligible. This is a loan that's going to be able to get to the finish line and close. Then you get issued pre-approval letter. Your real estate agent goes and submits an offer with a pre-approved letter. I call and I say, hey, Mr. or Mrs. Listing Agent, we've verified income, we've verified assets, we've run DU. I've got a full file on some well-qualified clients. We could close quickly. Let's put it together. That gives them confidence and allows you a much better shot to getting your offer accepted than pre-approval letter from some, rocket ship, or even worse, a pre-qual letter from who knows who, or none at all, right? So it's very important, one, so that your offer gets presented and has a chance of getting accepted. But even more importantly, when you get your pre-approval from a great mortgage broker, great team like mine, we are not just going to issue the letter and say best of luck to you. We are going to tell you, I know your target purchase price is $700,000. Let us show you what it looks like at 650, 675, 700. You could go higher if you wanted. You'd actually be approved up to, 750. That 10% down will show you what it costs if you don't want to pay anything to buy down the rate. Maybe you want to spend a little to buy down the rate. Maybe you want to look at what a 2-1 buy down looks like. And if you can get some seller credit and have them do, a seller buy down, which gives you a lower payment in years 1 and 2, that might be an option. Run through it. Then you're pre-approved and you know exactly what your monthly payment is going to look like. You've reviewed that maybe with your spouse, maybe with, a partner that you're buying the home with. And you say, you know what, based on all this information we've got, let's try to get something around 675. That's about our budget on, what it translates to a mortgage payment, what we're looking for. Go out and shop with your agent. Okay, this one looks good. I think we can get it. Let's offer 670. You feel good. You feel confident. You've got it all behind you, right? So that's what you want for yourself more than anything, right? You want to know the numbers. You want to have all that broken down for you before you go out there and submit offers just because the granite countertops are pretty or you like the pool in the backyard. So that's that. I do want to show real quick while I have you what it looks like. Bunch of great mortgage folks across the country have great technology. If you go to mtmg.com, that's my website, there's a bunch of stuff here. You can submit a referral. You can look at different stuff. There's calculators and a home IQ product on here that will show you some information. I probably don't promote this website enough, but that's for another video. Apply. Pretty self-explanatory, right? That's going to take you to the online application. I want to show you the page that you're going to get when you initially come here. It's going to say create account, first name, last name, email address, and you choose a password and then you press create. When you do that, here's what comes to you. Come on. Okay, yeah, we can drag it in there. It verifies your email. This is all encrypted. This is all super safe because we're going to use this same portal to upload securely your income documents, tax returns and pay stubs and your bank statements and all that stuff. So we want it to be secure, right? So verify your account here. Once you verify, it's going to take you to the easy and secure online loan application. You're going to get to really just walk through answering questions. And the software knows what questions to ask. That's not the email I used. Let me see if I can get in here. Loan purpose purchase, right? Purchasing a home. Where are you in the purchase process? I'm just getting started. Where are you looking to purchase? I'm looking to purchase in 95826, best zip code in town. Yep. What type of property? And you see it. Goes from mortgage info, personal info, co-borrowers, income, assets, all this. When you go to review and submit, it's going to ask you to upload documentation. It's really easy to use. You're going to upload all the things that you need. Copy of your ID, 2 months of bank statements, a month of pay stubs, 2021 and 22 W-2s. And the system is going to remind you if you upload 4 things, but not the other 2. Hey, these are the only 2 things we're missing. Lender like us is going to say, once we have the application and all the docs in within 24 hours, where we're going to review it, do the stuff, like I said, where we analyze the income and assets and run desktop underwriter, and then issue a pre-approval letter. With that pre-approval letter comes a call from us, the scenarios, all that good stuff, right? So hopefully this was helpful. One, the lesson is get yourself pre-approved no matter if you're working with us or not. 2, when you are working with a professional, make sure they're taking the time to explain to you what the options look like. And then you're taking the time to actually look at those options, understand them, and not just go out and make a purchase based on emotion, which is what some people do. So thanks for watching. Hope it was helpful. GreatMortgageBroker.com if you want to connect me and my team. That way we give you a call, we chat firsthand. If you want to go straight to mtmg.com and fill out the application, you're free to do that too. Thanks for watching.